ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति विंशतितमाभ्यास पृष्ठक्रमाङ्क 41 वयं अपश्यामः पृष्ठक्रमाङ्क 40 इति पृष्ठक्रमाङ्के वयम् अपश्यामः त्रिवर्गः, त्र्यम्बकः, त्रिपुरारी सर्वे शब्दानि। अपि च धातवः न सन्ति, परन्तु अव्ययशब्दः एकः अव्ययशब्दः अस्ति त्रिधा। अपि च घ विशेषणशब्दानि बहूनि सन्ति, त्रि, कति, त्रयम् इति सर्वम्। अस्तु, अधुना वयं पश्यामः पृष्ठक्रमाङ्क 41 प्रथमः केतुजी कृपया वदतु। प्रथम
त्रयः छात्राः, तीसरा कन्या, त्रीणि पुस्तकानि च अत्र सन्ति। 3 छात्र, 3 कन्याएं, 3 पुस्तकें यहाँ है।
अस्तु, सम्यक्। अत्र महत्वपूर्णविषयः अस्ति। त्रयः इति पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः अस्ति। त्रयः स्त्रीलिङ्गे तिस्रः, अपि च नपुंसकलिङ्गे त्रीणि इति भेदः अस्ति। त्रीणि गृहाणि, त्रयः बालकाः, तिस्रः बालिकाः इति वदति। अस्तु, केतुजी भवान् एव कृपया वदतु। नवम,
सः प्राणान् पशून् वा अत्यजत्।
छोड़ दिया। हाँ, लंग। अत्यजत्।
सो वे प्राण को छोड़ दिया।
सब प्राण को छोड़ दिया। सम्यक् अस्ति। अस्तु, पुनः सुमञ्जयजी कृपया वदतु। नास्ति, भवान् वदतु। 11
वर्षासु सिकतासु अप्सु च सुमनसः तरन्ति। You have to translate this?
Yes. Hindi or English, whichever you are comfortable.
Okay. Varshasu, in Varsha, Sikatasu, Apsu is water. Sikatasu is
sand.
What? Huh?
Sand, rate, sand.
Oh, okay. Varshasu, Sikatasu, Sumanasah, I don't know what's the meaning of Sumanasah. I understand this is Bahuvachanam, but what's the meaning of Sumanas?
Phool. They have given in page 40, phool, flower. Sumanas iti phool asti.
So in Varsha, in water and sand, these flowers
Ah.
float currently.
सम्यक् करेक्ट् सत्यम् अस्ति सम्यक् अस्ति अपि भवान् एव कृपया वदतु 12
One second. Let me take out my book also.
12 अस्ति हा
I'm doing it. Just give me a second. I'll just take out my book.
हा
Apsaras. Yeah, I want to just check that. Apsaras. Etaha Apsarasah. These Apsaras in the Tribhuvanas, or rather in the Tribhuvanas, these Apsaras Moderan Vardherancha. These Apsaras enjoy and Vardheran. Vardha is grow. I don't know what would that mean. Or grow, or probably grow in delight, something like that. Very unlikely a Vedanta Vishaya. But yeah.
These apsaras are enjoying and growing in the 3 worlds, in all 3 worlds, Tribhuvane. Satyam.
Can we say flourishing?
You can say, but will an apsara flourish? Vardheran here is growth, like asti jayate vardhate, that same, those 6, that is Vardheran here. So Vardhadatu is to grow up.
I think Avaji's thing is
Vardhatu.
Vardhatam, Abhivardhatam, like that. So that would mean flourishing, no?
Yes, but will an apsara flourish? Flourishing is not a bad word, not a bad translation for Vardhadatu. It is not wrong. But contextually, does it make sense? Can you say that an apsara is flourishing, like a divine celestial woman is flourishing? We rather say she is growing. She is enjoying and growing. So they are all enjoying and growing in all 3 words. It is not wrong to say flourish is not a bad translation for Vardhatu. It is just not contextually relevant. अस्तु आभाजी भवती एव वदतु पुनः थर्ड
कति छात्राः अत्र क्रीडन्ति कति means how many.
Correct.
How many chhatras are playing here?
How many chhatras are playing here? Correct. सम्यक् भवती एव वदतु दिस् अष्टम
त्रिवेण्यां त्रिपथगगायाः अपः शिष्यः पिबति. Trivenyam would be 3 rivers.
They are given Triveni as Triveni Sangam. So Trivenyam at the confluence of the 3 rivers.
Yeah, the confluence of the 3 rivers. Tripatha Gaya, which is 3 rivers.
Tripatha Gha is Ganga. Here they have given, right? Tripatha Gha is Ganga.
We spoke about the Bhagirath story, how it comes in the 3 lokas. Okay.
Yes.
So, how can it just be a confluence of Ganga?
So they are
2 more rivers, we can just assume.
They are saying त्रिवेणी संगम में जो गंगा है, so in Triveni Sangam there is Ganga also, so that Ganga we are taking.
So in the Triveni Sangam of Ganga, Shishyas are having water. Shishya is 1.
Correct.
The Shishya is drinking water of the river Ganga at the Triveni Sangam.
Exactly. Correct. Now you have been joining for 1-2 weeks, right? This is the end of your 2nd week. You started last Monday, right? You are able to translate perfectly in 8 sessions. This is the samskara that builds up. This is how we all saw this progress. After a few weeks, we are also much more comfortable with just simple translations. And this will help when we read Bhashya, Tika, etc. Your translation was correct. Trivenyam Tripadagayaha Apaha Shishya Pibati. So, that the Ganga in Triveni Sangam, that water Shishya is drinking. Tripadagayaha Apaha. The Ganga, water of Ganga, where Trivenyam. इन् त्रिवेणी संगम. सत्यं, सम्यक् अस्ति. अस्तु. संध्या जी कृपया वदतु. हाँ.
We add a lot of common sense, na Akash ji. We add a lot of common sense and we make it meaningful. I mean, what I'm trying to say is, इससे संस्कृत बहुत अच्छी आ गई ये नहीं प्रूव होता है. It's just that we are able to apply what we know decently enough.
Correct.
I mean,
that is true.
That part is also there.
That is fair, but you are still able to do it more easily than you were able to last week, for example. This Friday, this translation was much quicker and smoother than, and you're saying Shishya has Ekavachanam. Those small things will matter when we read like this Bhashya Tika, etc. हाँ, अस्तु. संध्या जी कृपया वदतु द्वितीय त्रयाणां छात्राणाम् इति.
त्रयाणां छात्राणां त्रिसूनां कन्या च एतानि त्रीणि वस्त्राणि सन्ति. 3 छात्राय त्रिसूनां कन्या नाम त्रिसूनां कन्या और 3 कन्याएं एतानि त्रीणि 3 वस्त्र उनके पास 3 वस्त्र है.
करेक्ट, एग्जैक्टली. सो यू से ये 3 छात्र के उनके पास के अलावा यू कैन यूज दैट षष्ठी बहुवचनम. सो त्रयाणां छात्राणां षष्ठी बहुवचनम अस्ति. ये 3 वस्त्र जो हैं ये 3 छात्र के और 3 कन्या के हैं. सो व्हाट यू सेड इज करेक्ट. इनके पास 3 वस्त्र हैं. सम्यक् सम्यक् अस्ति. भवती एव वदतु चत्वारः वित् सन्धिसूत्र.
छात्रत्रयमत्र क्रीडति. छात्रत्रयमत्र क्रीडति. छात्र खेल रहे हैं बट त्रयमत्र वो लोग ही खेल रहे हैं. उनके वो खेल रहे हैं.
So you have to split this as छात्रत्रयम् अत्र क्रीडति. छात्रत्रयम् 3 छात्र
अत्र क्रीडति. 3 छात्र यहाँ खेल रहे हैं.
सम्यक्, सत्यं. कस्मिन् सन्धिसूत्र अस्ति?
त्रयमत्र अत्र
उसके पहले प्रथमः वयं पश्यामः. करेक्ट, सत्यं. मो अनुस्वारसन्धि. बहु सुन्दर अस्ति, बहु सम्यक्. अस्तु. अवन्तिका जी कृपया वदतु पञ्चम.
छात्रत्रयी वेदत्रयी पठति. 3 छात्र 3 वेद पढ़ रहे हैं.
करेक्ट. 3 छात्र 3 वेद पढ़ रहे हैं. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. सप्तम भवती एव वदतु.
त्रिवर्गः मनुष्यस्य लक्ष्यमस्ति. 3 वर्ग मनुष्य का लक्ष्य है.
करेक्ट. त्रिवर्ग यहाँ पे लेना है धर्म अर्थ काम. यही दिए हैं पेज नंबर 40. प्रथमः त्रिवर्गः धर्म अर्थ काम तीनों. सो दोस् 3 वी आर टेकिंग. योर ट्रांसलेशन वाज करेक्ट. सम्यक् अस्ति. त्रिवर्गः मनुष्य से धनम् अस्ति. मनुष्य के धन है. सम्यक्. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु षष्ठ.
षष्ठ त्रयंबकः त्रिपुरारिः वा त्रिभुवनं भयात् त्रायते. So basically Bhagwan Shivji protects all 3 worlds. So Trayambakah, the 3-eyed one, Tripurari, the ruler of the 3 worlds, and Tribhuvanam. Tripurari is the 3 asuras whom he killed. Tribhuvanam, Bhayat Trayate. Trayate, we saw that, so he who protects.
From Bhayat.
Bhayat. From Bhayat. So therefore, Bhayat fifth case. Fifth case.
Panchami.
Like Ramat. So, like Ramat. So from Bhaya, he protects.
Yes. The same thing Bhagavan Sri Krishna also said in Dvitiya Adhyaya, right? Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat neha vikramanaşosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Dvitiya Adhyaya 40th shloka maybe. Trayate mahato bhayat. That karma yoga will trayate from great fear. Same thing they are saying here. Triambaka, Tripurari, bhayat trayate is saving from fear. All of them. Satyam, samyak asti. Bhavaneva Sundarji kripaya vadatu. Trayodasha, this will be relevant also. For today morning's conversation.
Okay. So, etaha pancha samaha sa gurum sevate modate cha. So therefore, yes, these people, yes, morning's discussion, very good, yes, good reference. So, etaha is striling, bahuvachana. So therefore, all of these, I guess, ladies or I guess Balika, we have to look at it like that. For 5 years, Sa Gurum Sevate. So therefore, they are serving the Guru for 5 years and enjoying also.
So, Sa is there. What is Sa?
Sa Gurum, so Sa will be, it's not Saha Gurum, so...
It has to be. Why? It's not.
Huh?
It is Saha Gurum. Etaha Panchasamaha. This Etaha and Panchasamaha go together, right? For these 5 years, Saha Gurum Sevate. Sevata Modayata.
Yeah, correct. It will be Sa because it is not vowel after that, Swara, so therefore it is Sa.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sa Gurum Sevata Modayata. He Seva Kare in care. He is doing. This will be this Vidhiling Lakara. Atmanepada Vidhiling. He should do like that.
Should do.
Samyak. Satyam asti. Astu.
Question. I didn't catch the Va word very well. Va Shabda in sentence 6 and Sir too very well in this discussion.
Okay. Va is or. O-R. This is Va. Athava Va. So Trayambakaha, Tripurarihi, Va Tribhuvanam. These are all names for Bhagavan Shiva. So they are saying Trayambakaha, Athava, Tripurari, Athava, Tribhuvanam. All this Bhagavan Shiva, Bhayat Trayate, he is saving from fear. So they are just Paryayavachi Shabdani. You have to take like that. They are different names for the same Bhagavan. Trayambaka, Tripurari, Tribhuvanam, whatever. So Va is or. Here, Sa. Saha Gurum Seveta. This is the correct form. This is the original Vyakarana form. The original form is Saha Gurum Seveta. Saha Taute. Saha with Visarga means he. But we have not reached that part yet. Maybe that rule will come later in this book. When there is a Vyanjana, a consonant following the Saha, the Visarga will get Lopa. The Visarga will go away. Visarga Lopaha. If there is a vowel, then it will become so a. That Sandhi also will come, I guess, later in the book, maybe next week. If there is a consonant, the Visarga will get Lopa. If there is a vowel, it will come together and the Okara plus Avagraha will come. So this is why that Saha Gurum here has become Sa Gurum. Because Gu is of course consonant, Vyanjana Shabda. So Saha has become Sa.
This comes in the Mundaka Upanishad also. Sa Guru Meva Vigachet, like that.
Yes. Pariksha Lokan.
Machitan Tamhano, Nirveda Maya, Nastakita Kritena, Tad Vijnanartham, Sa Guru Meva Vigachet, Samit Panihi, Shrutriyam Brahmanshu.
Exactly. Sa Guru Meva Vigachet. There also it is the same rule. It should be Saha Guru Meva Vigachet. That person after inquiry, doing pariksha of the word, then he is going. But so Saha Guru, but because that Ga is consonant, it has become Sa Guru Meva Vigachet. Same logic here also holds. Sa Gurum Sevet.
So, Etaha means those. Yeah, those women.
No, not those women. Etaha samaha. You have to include the samaha is getting etaha. Etaha samaha. Pancha samaha. 5 years. These 5 years. Ye 5 saal. In that
Okay.
way. Etaha here or in 5 varsh. Ye in whatever. Etaha pancha samaha. For these 5 years. Here 5 years. This 5 years. Sa gurum seveta. This person, he should do seva of Guru and modeta cha. He should also enjoy. Prasanna.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
अस्तु. प्रथमः ख प्रथमा एक एक हम कर सकते हैं. अवंतिका जी कृपया वदतु प्रथमः संस्कृत भाषायां किं भवति?
Which one?
First.
Repeat again.
First one.
Little louder. I'm not able to hear you.
अच्छा. Okay. संस्कृत to हिंदी number 1. First one. 3 गुरु 3 लड़कियां और 3 वस्त्र.
3 गुरु 3 लड़कियां और 3 वस्त्रया है.
हाँ सॉरी हिंदी टू संस्कृत.
त्रय.
हाँ वदतु.
त्रीणि गुरु. I'm sorry. I'm not sure. त्रय त्रीणि और त्रय तीसरा.
Okay.
त्रीणि गुरु. त्रीणि बालिका.
बालिकाः.
त्रीणि वस्त्र
हाँ
च
हाँ
तत्र अस्ति.
हाँ ठीक है. तो त्रयः. यू सी द फर्स्ट वन ऑफ उदाहरण वाक्य. प्रथम उदाहरण वाक्य त्रयः
छात्रा. तीसरा और त्रीणि.
हाँ.
तो हमें भी वैसे यूज करना है.
सही.
त्रय गुरु
गुरवः. गुरुः गुरु गुरवः.
त्रय गुरवः. ओके. त्रय गुरवः. तीसरा बालिकायां.
बालिकाः.
और बालिकाः. त्रीणि वस्त्राणि च तत्र अस्ति.
सन्ति. तत्र
सन्ति. सॉरी.
हाँ
सम्यक्. हाँ बहुवचन सन्ति.
वेरी नाइस. अस्तु भवती एव वदतु. हाँ हाँ it is. Yeah, they want us to translate, right? They're just helping want us to get better at this translations. Yeah, it is a funny sentence. 3 gurus 3 ladikis and 3 vastras are here.
Like they are going on the bus.
हाँ.
You have to imagine.
Yes, you have to imagine. It is not very meaningful as such. हाँ अवंतिका जी भवती एव वदतु. त्रयोदश 13th.
वे बड़े और प्रसन्न हो. वे मीन्स they.
हाँ बड़े है ना. तो
बड़े मीन्स that yesterday we were talking about that
grow. Correct.
That one.
Yes. तो प्रसन्न हो. You have to see यहाँ पे वे can be एकवचन और बहुवचन. You have to see based on the sentence. वो प्रसन्न हो. वे प्रसन्न हो मतलब एक वचन ही होगा. हो विधिलिंग.
सह ते तः.
सह.
सॉरी सह ते तः.
सह ही है.
सह ही आएगा.
हाँ क्योंकि प्रसन्न हो. वे बड़े और प्रसन्न हो विधिलिंग में बोलना है.
ओके.
विधिलिंग प्रयोग होगा ना यहाँ पे. सह.
I'm not getting grown. वर्धते.
हाँ वही तो वर्धते is correct in lat lakara. So in vidhiling lakara it will be like seveta. What is given in page.
वर्धेत.
हाँ वर्धेत. सम्यक्. तो सः वर्धेत च.
सः वर्धेत.
हाँ.
प्रसन्न.
हाँ.
ओ विधिलिंग है.
हाँ हो तो विधिलिंग है. तो सः वर्धेत.
भव.
हाँ भव. मोदेत च. मोदेत.
च.
सः
वर्धते. प्रसन्न. सॉरी मोदते. भव. सॉरी मोदते च भव.
मोदते इस लट लकार, तो वो बढ़ रहा है और प्रसन्न हो रहा है, तो बोलेंगे सह वर्धते मोदते च। यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट भव यू कैन जस्ट से इन विधिलिंग, विधिलिंग में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। जैसे सह वर्धेत मोदेत च, जैसे सेवेत, सह वर्धेत मोदेत
जब
च।
हम वर्धत ये वर्ड जो ले रहे हैं,
हाँ।
इसी को हमें वर्ब बनाना है जो नाउन है,
करेक्ट,
उसी को ही हमें वर्ब बनाना है।
हाँ, प्रसन्न हो इसको वर्ब बनाना है। सर सम्यक, प्रसन्न हो इज ओनली नाउन।
मोदते,
हाँ,
मोदते इज अ वर्ड और इट्स अ वर्ब?
मोदते इस धातु, प्रसन्न होना ये भी धातु हो सकता है, लेकिन प्रसन्न, हैप्पीनेस इज अ नाउन। तो बोल सकते हैं वैसे सह वर्धेत मोदेत च बोल सकते हैं, अथवा सह वर्धेत प्रसन्न भवेत च, यू कैन से वर्धेत प्रसन्न भवेत च। लेकिन इससे थोड़ा अच्छा है ये सह वर्धेत मोदेत च, दैट इज अ बेटर वे ऑफ सेइंग द सेम थिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग प्रसन्न
कंफ्यूज मैं
भवेत।
इसलिए हो रही हूँ यहाँ पे, क्योंकि अगर हम च लेते हैं तो
हाँ।
च तो जो हमारा भव है, अस्थि है, उसके पहले आएगा, वर्ब के पहले आएगा, वर्ब के बाद हम च नहीं लगाते।
लेकिन चकार अगर आ रहा है तो वर्ब या नाउन व्हाटएवर, चकार बाद में ही आएगा। अगर हम वैसे बोल सकते हैं दिस अहम गच्छामि खादामि च, आई विल गो एंड ईट, मैं जा रहा हूँ और खा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग एंड ईटिंग। अहम गच्छामि खादामि च, तो यहाँ पे हम नहीं बोलेंगे अहम च गच्छामि खादामि, क्योंकि चकार है धातु के लिए, गच्छामि और खादामि के लिए चकार है। सो खादामि गच्छामि खादामि च। हाँ, एंड
यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जैसे ये जो लिया है वर्धते
हाँ।
और मोदते,
हाँ।
इसको अगर हम नाउन में लेते हैं तो भी च पहले आएगा बाद में आएगा, क्योंकि
नाउन-
अगर हम भवते
हाँ,
लेते हैं तो
हाँ।
च भवते के पहले आएगा या बाद में आएगा?
लेकिन वर्धते,
वर्धते,
हाँ,
वर्धते, मोदते,
हाँ,
च भवते, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता।
भवती क्यों नहीं चाहिए ना, वर्धेत मोदेत,
अस्ति, अस्ति,
बट अस्ति इस लट लकार है, वर्धेत विधिलिंग है ना।
no,
हाँ।
I just wanted to I'm having confusion. I just wanted to know
हाँ,
if I use the two noun,
हाँ,
then I have to use it after cha after these two nouns, and then we general sentence, and then we use the that kriya pada.
करेक्ट,
Earlier sentence like Rama.
करेक्ट, सही है, बट नाउ आई कैनॉट हियर यू। कैन एनीबडी एल्स हियर मी? इज इट माई इंटरनेट और अवंतिका?
Hello?
हाँ हाँ, सॉरी, इट इज माई इंटरनेट, राइट? कैन यू हियर मी नाउ?
Hello.
हाँ हाँ, ओम अवंतिका जी, कैन यू हियर मी नाउ?
हाँ.
Can you
Yes.
hear me? Sorry, 1 second. My internet is a bit of a problem. But you can
I
hear
have
me.
just confusion. Just remove that.
Yeah.
When we use, sorry, I'm
Okay.
taking time.
No, go ahead. I will
Lakshmana,
say one thing. Lakshmana, this is correct.
हाँ.
I'll just say one thing. You tell me if it clears your doubt. Okay. आपके एग्जाम्पल में the chakara is for the noun. तो नाउन के बाद चकारा बोल के हम अस्ति बोलेंगे इन योर एग्जाम्पल, राइट? यहाँ पे चकारा इज फॉर द वर्ब, धातु, मोदेत वर्धेत, इसके लिए हम मोदेत वर्धेत के बाद चकारे हैं हमारे पास। इफ यू से लाइक योर क्वेश्चन, क्रियापद विल कम आफ्टर द चकारा, दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन, राइट? क्रियापद चकार के बाद आना चाहिए। हाँ, क्योंकि क्रियापद चकार के बाद आएगा इफ चकारा इज फॉर द नाउन।
Noun. Okay.
लेकिन यहाँ पे चकार इज फॉर धातु,
Dhatu.
So it is coming after the Kriya Pada.
Okay.
After the
Yeah.
dhatu. Kyunki chakara here is not for noun, it is for verb. So
Okay.
after the verb chakara is coming. If in your example Lakshmana, sorry, your example sentence, what was it? Lakshmanaha, some example you gave?
Lakshmana, Rama, Lakshmana cha tishtati.
हाँ, तो Rama Lakshmana cha, this cha is for Rama and Lakshmana, which is karta. So after that we are saying cha tishtati or tishtataha. Correct. But here we are not saying Rama Lakshmana, two people are not there, only one person, but he is doing two things. Saha vardheta,
Oh.
modeta, cha. Ek hi. Exactly. Here
So when karta is one.
हाँ.
Okay.
Karta is
So
not
we have to
two.
pay attention on karta also.
Yes,
Okay.
of course. Whole sentence you have to pay.
Thank
वे
you.
यहाँ पे एक ही है. So you are saying chakara is for bada and whatever, bade and prasa.
Okay. Thank you.
हाँ. No worries. If my internet goes away, please let me know. I have another connection. I will change it. But everyone can hear me now. Okay, right? And you can see me also and see the screen.
Yes.
Okay. अस्तु. हाँ, सन्ध्याजी अस्ति वा? हाँ, सन्ध्याजी भवती वदतु. द्वितीय.
द्वितीय 3 छात्र और को 3 छात्राओं को 3 पुस्तक 3 बार दो. त्रय छात्राः त्रय छात्राः त्रय छात्राओं
और
को
हाँ
3 त्रय त्रया बार दो.
ये थोड़ा that it is like that tongue twister kind of sentence again. Traya, tisra, everything will come here. First you split तीन. हाँ हाँ वदतु कृपया भवती वदतु.
त्रय छात्राः त्रय छात्राओं च त्रय पुस्तके पुस्तकः त्रय 3 बार दो is like
this is which language is this? त्रय छात्राएं तीसरे छात्राएं. This is like Sanskrit or Sindhi or some other language. Sanskrit Hindi mix.
I am able to start like initial त्रय छात्राओं
छात्राः
छात्रा sorry त्रय छात्राः. Is it तीसरे छात्राओं?
हाँ, so छात्रा, so you have to see 3 छात्रों. छात्रों here will be पुल्लिंग. तो त्रयः छात्राः 3 छात्राओं. तो this is स्त्रीलिंग. तीसरा छात्रा. तो ये सब को will be के लिए will be which विभक्ति? सब के लिए अगर कुछ देना है के लिए will be which विभक्ति?
सप्तमी.
No, सप्तमी will be in. अधिकरण. In, at, इसमें, उसमें, that is सप्तमी. इनके लिए उनके लिए देना है to or for. This is
फोर्थ.
हाँ,
चतुर्थ.
correct. चतुर्थी विभक्ति. So you have to say त्रयेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः और त्रिभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः. त्रिभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः 2-3 boys और तीसरेभ्यः छात्राभ्यः 2-3 girls. 3 male students and 3 female students. ये सबको 3 पुस्तकानि 3 books 3 वारं वितर. So this is like a little tongue twister. It was difficult. हाँ वितर अथवा यच्छ whatever. हाँ you give like त्रिभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः तीसरेभ्यः छात्राभ्यः हाँ छात्राभ्यः च. Then you say च. त्रिभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः तीसरेभ्यः छात्राभ्यः च 3 पुस्तकानि वितर 3 वारं वितर. So this is like a very complicated sentence, but you did well, not bad. भवती एव वदतु. भवती एव वदतु द्वादश मैं धन पाऊँ
मैं धन पाऊँ सह अहम
अहम
धनम
धनम
लभते not लभते one
क्या
second लबामी
लभेय हाँ सॉरी विच लकार इज दिस मैं धन पाऊँ हाँ लभेय यू हैव टू से विधिलिंग लकार है अहम धनम लभेय लभेय
लभेय
सम्यक् अहम धनम yes labheya like seveya you see on page 40 seveya is there like that labheya samyak astu केतन जी कृपया वदतु तृतीय
ये 3 छात्र
हाँ
त्रिवर्ग के लिए
हाँ।
त्र्यंबक की सेवा करें।
हाँ
त्रिवर्ग मतलब
हाँ
ये 3 छात्र ये 3 छात्र त्रिवर्ग के लिए त्र्यंबक की सेवा करें। ओके
this is also not easy
त्रयः छात्राः
हाँ सम्यक् त्रयः छात्राः त्र्यम्बकं सम्यक् त्रयः छात्राः त्रिवर्गाय त्र्यम्बकं सेवेरन् सम्यक् बहु सम्यक् अस्ति ये 3 छात्राः सो एते त्रयः छात्राः सम्यक् वेरी नाइस भवान् एव वदतु कृपया 15
आकर्षि can I ask a
Yes,
quick
जी.
doubt before that?
yes yes
पहले वाला जो था एताः पंच समाः था ना
हाँ
तो should this have been एताः त्रयः छात्राः
no because pullinga right you have to see sama is strilinga shabda so it was etaha here chatra is pullinga shabda so you say ete depending on linga it will change
Okay, thank you.
हाँ केतन जी कृपया
बालक खेले और
हाँ
कूदे
हाँ
शिशुः
हाँ
क्रीडेत
हाँ
कूदेत च
बहु सम्यक् शिशुः क्रीडेत कूडेत च सम्यक् अस्ति अस्तु कूर्देत च बहु सम्यक् अस्ति
कूदेत
कूर्देत
ओके
हाँ अभाजी भवती वदतु कस्मिन् हाँ दिस समा यू लाइक समा राइट 7th
कितने वर्ष समा हुए
हाँ
जब उसने प्राण छोड़े थे
हाँ
कितने was कति
कति
समाः जब is
जब will be यदा
यदा
यदा this pran chod this same thing 9th one is also that only sa pranan atyajat
right हाँ
so you have to change of course the words to fit the meaning here
right कितने वर्ष
हाँ
was कति समाः
हाँ
यत्
हाँ अभवन् कति समाः अभवन्
ओके कति समाः अभवन् यत् सः प्राणान् आसून् वा त्यज्यात्
अत्यजत्
अत्यजत्
बहु सम्यक् वेरी नाइस कति समाः अभवन् यदा सह प्राणम और प्राणान अत्यजत उसने प्राण छोड़ थे तो सह प्राणान अत्यजत कति वर्षाणि अथवा कति समाः समाः कति समाः अभवन् सः प्राणान् अत्यजत Ketaji, can you please do me a favor? Can you get me the charger, please?
What was this asunva in that sentence?
Prana and asu means the same thing. So you can either say saha pranan atyajat.
Okay.
Or
Option. This or this.
Correct.
With the va. Okay.
Saha
Paryayavachi
asu.
shabda.
Yes, exactly.
So if we wanted to practice more words, we could also do that.
Exactly. And this asu
Yata,
shabda.
saha, pranan, asun, atyajat.
Samyak.
Va atyajat.
Vatyajat. Samyak. This asu shabda comes in some Upanishad. I was not able to check, but if you can check over the weekend, please check. So anybody. Bradanyaka, Chandogya, Mundaka, in something asu comes. I just don't remember where. Okay. सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु षष्ठ
Sixth one.
हाँ
So, न दुगुना खाओ और न तिगुना काम करो.
हाँ
Very good. It suits all of us sadhaks very well.
हाँ
So, therefore, न द्विगणम, न द्विगणम खाओ. So therefore, it can be न द्विगणम खादेत. न त्रिगुणम कार्यम कुर्यात.
Samyak. You can also use, because they have given karo right directly, you can use vidhiling or lot. Both are okay. Vidhiling is better. So what you said is better. Why? Lot, generally karo, lot is better. Like Bhagavan says, kuru karmaiva tasmata. That is easy. But since we are in the vidhiling abhyasa, that you used vidhilinga, that is perfect.
So that's revealing of personal Kuriya.
Kuryat, correct. That kuryat is parasmay pada.
Yeah.
And in Atmani pada it will be
Kurvita.
Kurvita you can say.
So this is all
Kurvita.
So, yeah, since we are all in Atmani pada, it is better to use Atmani pada.
Atmani.
Yes, sure. Kurvita you can say. So, thank you. हाँ भावानेव तो सुंदर जी षोडश
16. Okay, 16 now. मैं देखूं, इक्ष बोलूं, भाष यत्न करूं, etc. etc. So, aham iksheya. So, aham iksheya, bhasheya. Then you can, I guess we can do yatneya also, rather than yatna kuru. Yatneya.
Yes.
Yeah, and then shiksheya, sikhu, shiksheya, modate, modateya,
Modeya.
modateya, ramate cha.
You can say Modeya अथवा Rameya. Anand karo Rameya. And it is Yatna karo is Yateya. Yat dhatu. Yateya, not
Yeah.
Yat.
So yatneya,
Samyak. Yateya. Only Yateya.
yatneya.
They had given this in the earlier abhyas, I think maybe Yat came. Yateya Shabda came. Instead of Yatneya, they had given Yateya.
Yeah, yatneya.
Samyak, Bahu Samyak. Sumanjay ji कृपया वदतु नवम
नवम वर्षायाम सिकतायाम अपाम सुमनसः सुमनसांच इधर पश्यतु और I'm thinking of something in Vidhilinga. I mean for Atmanepadi. Pashyatu could be there, but something in Vidhilinga.
You can just say Pashya. Like
Pashya.
in lot. हाँ इसको देखो Pashya lot, and in Vidhiling it will be Drakshyetha, I guess, right? Or Pashyetha.
Akaji, where did we use Draksha? Draksha was
For Bhavishya, for Dring Lakara, we said Drakshyami, Drakshyami.
yeah.
But I guess for beginning it will be Pash.
So is there a sutra for that also? Like Draksh, I mean, I can understand some modifications happening, but Drish becoming Pashya, that is a mystery to me. How will, I mean, the entire thing changes, right? So are there sutras for that also?
There are sutras for such rules. I am not aware of a specific sutra for Drish to Pash, but such rules there are sutras. Some sutras do speak of this. I will check if there is a specific sutra for Drish to Pash, but I don't know. I don't think there is, but if there is, I'll check and come back on Monday. Yes. But there are such sutras are also present for such things. Like Gra to Jigra, there is a sutra for that. Like Jigrami, Jigrava, Jigrama we say. So there are sutras like that. But for Drish to Pash, I have to check.
That is what they will 4,000 sutras.
Yes, exactly. They will find all this and they will put one sutra for such things. Correct.
Akarji, I have a question.
Yes, Ji.
In this sentence, I would have used the cha before Sumanasa. So, Varshaya, Sikataya, Apaya, cha. Then in these, right? Then
But
the
they
flower
have,
is not in the same way. It's not the same list, right?
but they have said Varsha Mein in Varsha, Ret Par on the sand, Jal or Phula. So the Chakara is for up and Phul. It is not for the rest. The Chakara always comes after, right? So here we are not saying Varsha mein, Ret mein, Jal mein, Sab, Cha, Phul dekho. We are saying Jal or Phulon ko dekho. So that is why the Chakara came after the Sumanas. So we will say Varshasu Sikatasu Apaha Sumanasaha cha Pashya. You can say.
Akarji, one question. In number 8, for example, they say that Dara is always used in Bahuvachana. Daraha, that is one of the niyamas that is given there.
Yes.
So when we say Ustri, and Sri is a singular, but we have to use Daraha.
Yes.
So would it be Taha Daraha or would it be Sa Daraha?
It will be Tan, right? Tan Daraha. When you see that Asu Shabda, that Adas Shabda, sorry, that Idam and Adas that we were seeing, right at the end, this was what, page number 135. Oh, sorry, no, not here. Tan will be, where will Tan be?
Idam and others is here, 134.
Tahatam, I'm wondering where it will be, but it will be somewhere. This is Tan, like Sa te Taha, Tan, Tam te Taha, but Tan, Bahuvachana will be Etan, like because here.
Three linga for Vaha, Us is also Taha, right?
Taha, lekin Dara Shabda, you because it is in Bahuvachana, you have to use in Napumsakalinga, right? Because see, it is coming with all of these. You see Dara, Akshata, Laja in that page 40. Dara, Akshata, Laja, Asu, Prana, they are coming together. And then they said, Dara, Akshata, Laja, Asu, Prana, inke roop Pulling mein. You see, it won't be in Strilinga. Pulling mein or Bahuvachan mein chalte hain, mein hi chalte hain. So it will be Tan.
It won't be Te.
No, it will be Tan. Because unko leke aana hai. Not wo aana hai. Unko leke aana hai. So you are saying everything will be in Dvitiya, right? Like for example, एतान अक्षतान,
उनको लेके आना है,
हाँ,
correct,
ये
correct.
सबको लेके आना है, तो इट विल ऑल बी इन द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचन. एतान,
Yeah, it will be द्वितीया विभक्ति.
तान, एतान. So उस दारा will be तान. इन अक्षत will be एतान. एतान अक्षतान, एतान कीलान, और कील is that other shabda they had, right? Large, लाजान. एतान अक्षतान, एतान लाजान, और तान तारा. वो सबको दो.
Thank you, that was good.
The rest of it is quite easy. The after, you know, the ka, whatever they are given in ka after ekadasha, sarve सुलभा संति, because you see वह भाड़े और प्रसन्न हो, बालक खेले, मैं देखूं, चोर तिगुनी चेष्टा करें, everything you have to use विधिलिंग here. They have given different example. वह 3 बार स्पर्धा करें, so सहा त्रिवारम स्पर्धेत, you can say. Just simple translations. So each word and then just put विधिलिंग. स्व भिक्षा मांगे, स भिक्षेत. That's all. You don't have to say bhiksham, yacheta or whatever. Bhiksheta. That's all. So in this way, everything is quite simple. So we don't have to do ashuddha to shuddha. Aham pathami. Tam daram imam akshatam imam lajam nasti. So you see the same question that has come. Shuddha vakya is tan daran iman akshatan etan lajam. Then second अशुद्ध वर्षायाम सिकतायाम आपम नास्ति वर्षासु, because बहुवचन should be used in varsha sikata etc. So बहुवचन, सप्तमी बहुवचन will be varshasu, right? Like ramasu, ramayam, ramayoho, ramasu. In the same way varshayam, varshayo, varshasu, sikatayam, sikatayoho, sikatasu. In that way बहुवचन should be used. katihi sama agachat, सप्राणम नास्ति. कति समाह अगच्छन्, बहुवचन again. अगच्छत्, अगच्छन् is the बहुवचन प्रयोग in लंग लकार अगच्छन्. अस्तु, अभ्यास 2 को बहुवचन बनाओ. ओके, वी विल जस्ट डू क्विकली. हाँ, केतुल जी कृपया वदतु प्रथमः एकादश, वह गुरु की सेवा करें इन बहुवचन. हाँ, ते गुरु सेवेरन. सम्यक. अस्तु, सुंदर जी कृपया वदतु मैं धन पाऊँ. मैं, एवरीवन नोज आई गेस बाय नाउ, साहा बहुवचन विल बी ते, त्वम बहुवचन विल बी यूयम, एंड आहम बहुवचन विल बी वयम. So we don't have to do that. Only the dhatus we will do bahuvachana. Okay. So lab dhatu bahuvachana in this context will be what? Sundar ji.
Labhemahi.
हाँ, सम्यक. aham. So it will be labhemahi. Here it is given on page 40. सम्यक. हाँ, सुमंजय जी भवान वदतु bhade bahuvachana in this context.
He's left.
अच्छा, अवंतिका जी भवती वदतु bhade.
क्या?
दिस बड़े बहुवचने किं भवति? सः बढ़े, सः whatever वर्धेत.
बढ़े.
हाँ,
वर्धेते.
वर्धेरन्.
वर्धेत.
वर्धेत इस एकवचन, बहुवचने
एकवचन. वर्धेरन्.
वर्धेरन्. सम्यक्. संध्या जी अस्ति वा? नास्ति. आभा जी भवती वदतु दिस कूर्द खेल धातु क्रीड यू हैव टू यूज, बट इन बहुवचन किं भवति?
क्रीडामहि.
बालक सः, तो प्रथम
बालकाः.
बालकाः.
बालकाः
हाँ.
क्रीडामहि.
क्रीडामहि नास्ति, वयं क्रीडामहि. बालकाः उत्तमपुरुष इस् क्रीडामहि, बट प्रथमपुरुष विल बी
क्रीडन्ति, क्रीडतः, those ones, right?
हाँ, so here you have to say
क्रीडतः.
in विधिलिंग क्रीडेरन्. Page number 40, save dhatu, they have given severan, like that you can क्रीडेरन्.
Right.
हाँ, सम्यक्.
बालकाः क्रीडेरन्.
क्रीडेरन्.
There was one more.
There is one more. Okay, कूर्देरन्. क्रीडेरन्, कूर्देरन्. सम्यक्. ये हो गया. वाक्य बनाओ before Vakya Banavo, let us see the Sandhi. So the Sandhi had said, Kharicha, this Ud plus Pannaha will become Utpannaha, Sadkaraha, Satkaraha. Like that, here they have given examples. Ketulji Kripa to Pratama, Sadkarmaha.
Sadkarma, Satkarma.
हाँ आप इच्छा संधि विच्छेद करना सत्क्रिया so easy
सत्क्रिया
हाँ नीचे
सत्क्रिया
क्रिया सम्यक् अवन्तिका जी कृपया वदतु उद्पथः किं भवति अस्ति वा अवन्तिका जी उद्पथ
Yes, I am here.
हाँ
Not able to make it.
Udpatah. So that dakara will become in Karicha. They said dakara if it is followed by prathama, dvitiya, sha, sa. If the second letter is,
Kusumaswara.
they will become. So the dakara will become it takara. So sadkaraha will be
Utpatha.
samyak utpatah. I don't know what happened. I closed it. Utpatah samyak utpatah. आभाजी कृपया वदतु तत्परः
तत्परः
हाँ सुंदर जी वदतु कृपया उत्साह there is no challenge in this so now at least we will see in Srimad Bhagavad Gita Kharicha where is it
Pasyansham.
वो खरीचा नहीं है वो श्लोक में है लेकिन खरीचा वो नहीं है पश्यन् शृण्वन् इस शत्रु प्रत्यय पश्यन् शृण्वन्
किंचित.
हाँ
किंचित करो. किंचित होगा.
हाँ
उसका तो हो गया.
करेक्ट
करो मीति.
हाँ सम्यक किंचित करोमीति किंचित
तत्वविद में भी है
तत्वविद
तत्वविद
तत्वविद तत्वविद तत्व itself is one shabda
तत्व itself the word okay
tattva is like the reality you say tattvavid so the tattvavid has matu pratyaya that pratyaya has not come yet it is called matu pratyaya tattvavid that person who has tattva like that anywhere else where this thing comes Kharicha
We covered Saditya.
हाँ saditi but saditi will not be kharicha kharicha is only when it is vyanjana but the prathama akshara so kha the whatever pa ta all that saditi will be jalam jashonte
Yeah.
I don't know if there is any
What is it? This Kharichiya and Jhalam Jashvi.
हाँ
Datrivis and Jhalam Jashante.
हाँ
Jhalam Jastashi.
हाँ
It's really difficult.
yes the difference is this prathama shabda is always same okay for all three jalam jashashi jalam jashwante kharicha everything the first shabda is the same it will all end in the or whatever other shabda that the will become ta or ga the tritiya chaturtha akshara of that varga prathama shabda will end the difference is in the dvitiya shabda para shabda if it is swara you have to use jalam jashwante if it is vyanjana but it is the prathama akshara or dvitiya akshara you have to use kharicha if it is vyanjana but it is tritiya and chaturtha akshara you have to use jalam jashi
So, for Prathama, Aditya, or Tritiya, is the words also one should know.
but we know that na kha kha ga ga na cha cha ja ja na so prathama kim asti kha kha dvitiya kha prathama cha dvitiya cha like that in each varga in kavarga tavarga tavarga chavarga pavarga whatever there are 5 each so prathama will always be the first akshara if in the second line second word first akshara comes you have to use kharicha if in the second word fourth akshara comes you have to use jalam jashi
so what I feel Akash ji is by ourselves we should do a lot of sandhi exercises
yes
that's
Correct.
That will make us, because cannot be sitting and counting 1, 2, 3
Yes, it
plus
is.
4, 5.
Yes.
That is not
Practical.
set.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
After abhyasa, it comes easily. Like, so for example, today we will see adhyasa bhashya. This is adhyasa bhashya. I will share with you in 1 second.
Let me start. Okay, now.
Yes. Okay. We are seeing Adhyasa Bhashya, Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya here. It is only the Moola is here in these 2 pages. But it will be a little more challenging because I thought in Brihadaranyaka everybody is getting every Sandhi anyway. So we can make it a slightly more challenging to find where this Kharicha is coming. And of course Adhyasa Bhashya is advanced, so it is good practice. Where is Kharicha Sandhi?
Asmat pratyaya gochari. Asmad dhamma pratyaya. So it's the second line.
So correct.
Then maybe more.
Yes. This is the easy one. Yushmad Asmat Pratyaya Gocharayoho. In that, Yushmad Asmat is that earlier one. Jalam Jashonte. Yushmat Asmat. So it has become Yushmad Asmat. But Asmat Pratyaya Gochara, like you said correctly, is Kharicha. Anybody can find something online?
Chidatmake.
Chidatmake. Correct. So Chidatmake will be that Chit Atmake is correct. That is that Jalam Jashonte Sandhi. Kharicha Sandhi. Chidatmake, Chit Atmake. A is Swara, vowel. So it is Jalam Jashonte.
Okay. We're looking for the
Consonant. Exactly. You see the word immediately after Chidatmake?
That we already spoke. Yushmad.
We spoke this one. We saw Yushmad Asmat Pratyaya Gochara. We saw.
Yeah.
This is
So
Yushmat.
Same word, right?
Yes. Here it is Yushmad. Yushmad, and here it is Yushmat. Why? Because of the next Shabda. This will be the Sandhi. It is really the same Shabda. There is no difference in the Shabda as such. It is both Yushmat only. Because of the second Shabda, the first gets Dakara, the second gets Takara. That's it.
Swara is in the Dakara.
Because of Swara, it has got Dakara. Because Vyanjana is there, it has got Takara. Vyanjana and Pratama Akshara. Pa. Pratyaya.
उच्चेत
अवंतिका जी किं वदति?
उच्चेते
उच्यते किं कुत्र अस्ति?
आह द सेकंड पैरा
मध्य उच्यते. उच्यते
उत प्लस ना
क्योंकि चवर्ग में होगा और उच्यते इज वन वर्ड एज सच. उच्यते वह उच्यते सह उच्यते लाइक दैट ही इज सेइंग. उच्यते विल नॉट बी खरीचा. खरीचा यू हैव टू फाइंड फॉर बाद में जो है वो चकार ककार क च वैसे होगा, प्रथम अक्षर होगा. द सेकेंड वन यहाँ पे हियर उच्यते, दैट य इज देयर. Instead of that year, you have to find for k, ch, t, t, p, like that.
So that is not the Sandhi.
No.
And then Yadadhyase also be it is not.
Yad adhyase, correct. Yad adhyase is not kharicha. It is yad adhyase. That is the sandhi, but it is the jalam jashonte. That other. Why? Because adhyasa is starting with swara. If there is swara, it is jalam jashonte. If there is vyanjana, it is other two sandhis, kharicha and jalam jashonte. Kechittu. Sorry. Sundar ji. Kechittu.
Kechittu is a good one.
Yes, difficult to find, right? Kechittu.
Yeah.
Kechit.
Correct. Difficult to find.
Like yattu. Exactly. Yes, yattu. Exactly. Like yattu. That is also kharicha only. Takara. Okay, we have to go for Upadesha Sahasri, so we can do this later. Next. Any other questions before we end?
On the previous screen, I had one.
Yes,
There
please.
was a place where Kechit was left separate to the next word.
Where?
So joining.
Here, na?
So is it a choice of the author to join or not join?
Yes, it is the choice. But generally we must join. This Kechid Anyatra Dharmadhyasa, it should be Kechid Anyatra Dharmadhyasa. Maybe that printing there may be an error, because if Anyatra Anya Dharmadhyasa is coming, then you have to say Kechid Anyatra Dharmadhyasa. But sometimes they will keep it separate to make it easy for us as readers. The author may not put a long sentence word together because it may get confusing. Kechid Anyatra Dharmadhyasa, may some people say Kechidanya. It is a confusing word. So here he may have kept it separately. Like for example in Bhagavad Gita, sometimes it is not, even if the sandhi can happen, they will not happen. Like Sharaschakshara evacha Dvavimau Purushau Loke Sharaschakshara evacha. They should have made it Sharaschakshara evacha. This Vriddhirechi sandhi should have come here. Sharaschakshara evacha. They have kept it separate for the Chanda rules, to have 8 syllables in the second one. For Anushtup Chanda to be okay, Sharaschakshara and Eva have been separate. So in shlokas and mantras, this is also a potential cause of not doing sandhi karya, to make sure that the chandas is satisfied. Okay, any other question? Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murtibheda Vibhagine Vyomavadyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om